Hello, my name is Shaquille and this is the CCL Minute. Today we're going to be talking about the Forza 8 outlet surge protector. Here's the standard 7 outlet surge protector, and here's the Forza 8 outlet surge protector. Let's see how they match up. Suppose you have 4 adapters that you want to plug into your standard 7 outlet surge protector. So I got like 3 in so far. Cranberries. So now we're gonna try it on the Forza 8-port adapter. Right, so let's see. So far so good. Let's try that. Alright, so I was able to use 3 in a row. And voila! So be sure to check out the Forza 8 outlet surge protector at any one of our stores at Cable Beach or Harbour Bay. Peace!